In a landscape of scientific, industrial and consumer solutions so overgrown with contrasting information and ideas, where can you place your trust? Wouldn't you prefer to follow the advances of modern science, inspired by the precedent and certainty of nature? If you were guided by innovation, a strict code of ethics, and exceptional manufacturing and quality standards, could your business grow further? At Quest Nutra Pharma, our products and practices are continually driven by these principles. Founded in 1982, today we are a UK multinational company with an extensive global reach, a trusted heritage and proven credibility worldwide. Our diverse manufacturing facilities supply both large and small-scale businesses and end consumers alike. With the Quest Way at the core of our company dynamic, we are committed to naturally holistic strategies that deliver with a scientific impact.
Quest Nutra Pharma was formed with a vision to operate in a niche where we blend together a number of principles, most importantly scientific standards, ethical values, and also natural health solutions.
We cater to a diverse range of market needs, offering a range of active botanical extracts in solid, liquid or powder form for numerous industries. The supply of popular and bespoke flavour formulations for use in a wide variety of applications. Our own brand of Nutraceutical consumer products, developed and marketed for specific health needs, manufactured to GMP standards and which undergo rigorous laboratory screening. And a full raft of expert contract manufacturing services for potential business partners to draw upon.
Quest Nutra Pharma offers a unique proposition where we balance science and nature. This runs throughout the whole business and throughout the different divisions. In the Nutraceutical division, we develop and manufacture products which are alternatives to conventional medication. In the Botanical division, we develop also natural alternatives. And in the Flavour division, we offer better alternatives to synthetic non-natural flavours.
We are dedicated to ethical, environmentally responsible and fair business practices, providing natural market alternatives that never compromise on our product's effectiveness or our integrity. Innovation, integration, evolution and growth. Join us where nature and science meet. Quest Nutra Pharma. Inspired by nature, guided by science.